Tips for maintaining motivation in the gym. Lifelong fitness. Utilize these useful suggestions to motivate yourself. Set objectives. Start with modest objectives, then go on to more expansive ones. Make sure that your objectives are manageable and practical. If your objectives are too lofty, it is simple to lose motivation and give up. 2. Add some humor. Find sports or activities you like, then mix up your schedule to keep things interesting. Try something new if you're not enjoying your workouts. Take part in a softball or volleyball league. 3. Include exercise in your everyday regimen. Avoid making excuses if finding time to exercise is difficult. Exercises should be scheduled just like any other vital activity. Additionally, you can squeak in some exercise during the day. Rather than using the elevator, use the steps, or park farther away from the store. Watch the kids play sports while you stroll up and down the sidelines. During a break at work, go for a stroll. 4. Write it down. Do you want to get thinner? Goals should be written down. You might find it easier to stay motivated if you can see the advantages of consistent exercise and put your goals down on paper. 5. Collaborate with family, neighbors, or other people. It's not just you doing this. When you work out or go for walks, invite friends or co-workers to join you. Exercise with a loved one or your partner. Take your kids to a soccer game. Get a bunch of your neighbors together to participate in fitness sessions at the neighborhood gym or to exercise online using a video. 6. Give to yourself. Spend a few minutes enjoying the positive emotions that exercise offers you after each workout. This kind of internal incentive can encourage you to commit to consistent exercise over the long run. 7. Be adaptable. Take a day or two off if you're too busy to exercise or just don't feel like it. If you require a break, be gentle with yourself. The most crucial thing is to quickly resume your original course of action.